Alright, what I got here is places where I need to draw on my fender. So I put these markers down and stickers so I don't write on them. So first we're going to find the center of between these two body lines. So down here and this body line here, we're going to find the center, which is somewhere around here. And then we're going to draw a line all the way down. And then our center line, actually, we got the line here. This is our line. We're going to follow this line. And that'll be our center. Okay. So this line will be finding the location of the marker. So say the line will start here and it ends right here. So we don't want it down here. Make sure it's level. Okay. And then this line, it's for where it stops right here. So for example, it's gonna stop right there, right at the edge. It's not gonna be like this, not gonna be like this. It's gonna stop right there. Let me see if I can get it focus a little bit. So right there. So right now we're gonna get that line and let's get it done. Alright, this is what I got. Whew, I did a lot. So this is the front. These lines match up. The angles are not really there. So this is the front of the line, the back of the line. And then I got the center. And then, oh wait, backwards. The wide part of the side marker is wider than the one I actually drew. But I like to draw a little bit and then slowly shave more out of it little by little. So make sure you shave little by little. So let's get to cutting. All this right here needs to be gone. Alright, I messed up by taking off the tape so you can't see the line. But if you can imagine a line here and all the way up, you can kind of see with the dust. It's pretty on the line where I wanted it. But over here, you can see it's hitting up here. So I gotta shave more that way. I believe gotta shave more, make it wider. Here's what my hole looks like. You guys are wondering. It looks like Hey Arnold, but like a Nissan sign. You know, it doesn't show. It's ready to be popped in. I feel like it's ready to be popped in.
That's what she said.
My line over here, it looks pretty good. So we're gonna wipe it down, and then hear that lovely pop. Alright, we got the final results. Let's see how this fits. Pop it in the front. Push it in once you hear the pop, and it will be in perfectly. Bam, hear that pop? Perfect. No gaps. This is where you stick your flathead if you want to open it. And we're done. Straight to me. It's not crooked. There's my line, all the way straight. For fun, let's put the line here and see what happens. And there you have it, guys. Here's my dot that I made. Right there. I don't know why my phone's not focusing anymore. Here is the line in the middle of the marker. See what those dots right there. I think I did a good job. Alright guys, if you guys like the video, let me know. And I know you guys would have some questions. Let me know in the comment section down below. Wiring is another part. I am looking for the OEM plug for the side markers so I can tap into the corner lights. But for now, just for the looks, we are just gonna go with the markers with no lights on. So visually it looks cool. For pictures it looks cool. So that's done, and then we'll work on the wiring later. But yeah, if you guys new to the channel, like it, hit that like and subscribe button. See you guys on the next vlog. Peace out.
Bye, have a great time.
Perfect.